We're now going to start with an overview of TikTok Ads Manager. Let's begin by navigating through the dashboard. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed towards this TikTok Ads Manager page and onto your dashboard. Over here, you can complete the basics, such as adding your billing info, setting up payment details, and even having quick shortcuts for creating your first ad. This dashboard also contains important information such as insights, data regarding audiences, and even updates. From the top, we can then click on Campaign. Once you click the Campaign tab, it shows all campaigns, their status, budgets, cost, CPC, CPM, and impressions. You can click a campaign to view data to open breakdowns and view stuff such as daily and hourly trends and audience segments. Then we can move to the Tools section. This contains tools regarding audience, creative, management, and general settings as well. For instance, you can utilize TikTok's Creative Center for inspiration and audience insights. In the end, we have Analytics. This allows you to create custom reports and view analytics regarding audience insights, comment insights, and video insights as well. Now you know where to find your campaign overview, dive into performance, manage assets, and pull reports. This is it for now. See you in the next lesson.